Thank you, thank you. Pleasure to be here this afternoon. Not a day for long speeches, but let me say thank you. First of all, I'd like to just remind you all about how important, Jen, please come in front, about how important Cure Kids is as an organization to all the kids around Fiji. And this is a wonderful opportunity for all of us to say thank you to you and your organization for doing all the hard work that you do for all our kids. So please, big round of applause just for them. And to Saud and the rest of the team, I know you didn't ride, but please, I've been trying to get him on two wheels for a long time, and that's the motorized one, it doesn't. But thank you to all of you. I understand you've raised about $100,000 odd. It's great to see you all here, and really appreciate what you've done. From government's perspective, you know, there are a lot of things that we do that involves the private sector, and this is one of them. And it's a opportunity for us to say thank you to our Pacific Island brothers and sisters from Australia and New Zealand. Thank you very much, much appreciated. You know, Cure Kids is an organization that is all involved with Fiji Airways, and to all the sponsors locally that were involved, again, big binakwa to all of you. And obviously to ANZ, thank you, Saud, for once again being involved. But if I could take my minister hat off and put on the patron of the Fiji Motorcycle Association hat on, look, I can really seriously work with you guys, probably do something with you next year. If I ask the boys, we do circumnavigate Fiji also on motorcycles, but we're trying to get together at the moment to do some other stuff for other organizations, which we do for Suicide Watch, etc. But it'd be a good opportunity to team up. Maybe next year I'll tell them, and they're always raring to go, and you know, with the help of the police force and the Land Transport Authority. Gladly do it. I'm putting our hat into the ring already. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a blessed afternoon, and please, if you've got a bit of wear and tear, she'll find your doctor. Naka.
Getting off the plane, just riding, and
22 cyclists, all injured staff in New Zealand and Australia.
Do we have any follow-on? Can you just shake your hands, wave your hands up in the air? Hola!
Don't do anything.